Hello everyone, what's up? It's Sunday. Tomorrow the market will open, and at 1 o'clock in the morning, Cairo local time, that will be Australia, and then we'll have Tokyo, and then we have Shanghai. Watch out for Shanghai. 3:30 a.m. Cairo local time, we'll have the CPI of Shanghai. We'll have some red flag news that will set up the day for tomorrow, March 9th. But let's talk right now about the XAUMO HACKS indicator as well as the XAUMO MEGABAR VSA. So what you see here in the chart, on the chart here, you have two indicators. You see the green label on the side, on the right side, that's the XAUMO HACKS. And the other is XAUMO HACKS is basically a supplement for the XAUMO VSA XAUMO MEGABAR VSA indicator, and that's the juice. That's where the beef coming. That's the beef. That's all the 117 hacks that I trade with. I programmed them and I made them as a simple hacks that you can see them and you can read them. It cannot fit to the original indicator because too many coding lines, and it will be very the indicator will be very exhausted and will take too long time to load, runtime errors, as well as tokens. I'm already on the verge of 80,000 token on TradingView, so I cannot do it. So I decided to do it on a different indicator. It is multilingual. It's English, French, and Arabic. Definitely Arabic is my mother tongue language, so you will have it. So basically, let's check it here. Okay, let's knock out the golden Nile. This is the XAUMO verdict. So basically, what you have here, you have to see the full dashboard, whether it's full or if you want it mini. The background, you want to do it on the top right, top left. The background is dynamic. We have enabled multi-timeframe verdict if you want to use the chart only, or if you want to use that. This is the 15-minute chart. You want to use this with 1 hour, 4 hours, or you want to do it all stack full mode. You can import the calendar. I already shared that in the catalog of the indicator, so you can know how to pull that out, and you have to do it manually. Unfortunately, TradingView does not allow you to auto import the calendar, okay, for the asset that you're working on. In the meantime, here we can do it French. Parlez-vous français comme les oiseaux de Paris? So the indicator here, it's verdict final, XAUMO continuation haussière, acheter les repiles uniquement, confiance 21,8, risque élevé. So ça c'est pour le 15 minutes, le verdict pour le 15 minutes. So you can trade if you want to do it Arabi. Here's the Arabi. So here's the Arabi. النهائي قرار زومو النهائي استمرار سعر شراء على التراجعات الثقة 21.8% المخاطر مرتفعة. So basically there's no need to, this is how, if you want to take a final decision on the spot, you can do that. Even though there's another added feature you have here, enable one alert stream for all the 117. You're just gonna go over here. Here's the alerts, and you're gonna click add, and you're gonna do the XAUMO alert. Here's the XAUMO hacks, and you're gonna do same as short open-ended alert. So you will create your own alerts. It will come in the language of the indicator. So let's go back here again, and let's focus on how you can combine it with gold on the Nile, which is XAUMO MEGABAR VSA. This is the 15 minutes. So basically this is the 15 minutes chart if you have already the indicator. And basically here we go. What we see over here, let's pull this to the side here. So let's make it X, let's make it 5 or 6 to move to the right, the label. Okay, So basically what we have here, we are here on the 188 percent Fibonacci of the megabar. So we're already elevated. That's why it's a bullish continuation, but buy and dips. Buy and dips here means it will retrace, it will do, we have a continuation. And here, as you see, the VSA label says to you, test narrow bar, and the trend here we see here, the risk here is a trap 2% and short 2% and bull is 1%, and here say continuation long and psychology is 100% FOMO. So this is late for me, VSA. So as per the analysis, and here you see the 4 hours VWAP band 1, 4 hours VWAP band 1, and here we have the 30-minute VWAP band, and here's the 2 hours VWAP band, and here's the 160. And as you see here, there is a reversal here because the spread between the WVPOC and the VPOC is high. So basically, guys, this is like a trap. So basically, I will be shooting to do the 5175, and then I will pause, and then I will look for retracement. It might go all the way up here to 5181. But I'm not gonna take that trade, that's too much risk for me, and I will put the stop loss here. Basically here I have the master XAUMO. And if we look for another asset which is trading right now, let's go for the crypto gold. Here we go. Let's see the crypto gold, where we are right now, and here's the crypto gold. All right, so the crypto gold right now, as we can see, where is my indicator? Okay, so the crypto gold. Okay, the hacks, are we in top left? Yes, let's make it 4 so to see it. And on the crypto gold, as we can see, we have it here. We are doing continuation long 50%. H1 is recycling. Psychology is we're starting to be overconfidence. Our ego is managing. VSA is okay. Our vol is strong to go up, and as you see here we go, and let's look for the target, and here we go. This is your why it's not okay. Let's check it. Why? Okay, we don't have that here. It's not. We don't have direction. Okay, so XAUMO HACKS. Let's check another asset. Let's see why it's not working here. Yes, because the XAUMO HACKS is working just only on gold, XAUUSD, not on crypto based assets. Okay, and let's check it here. It's not doing anything here, but if we check the Euro USD, here you get. So crypto is not crypto asset is not working on the verdict. Very good. It's not working for it, but it works on gold. Basically, I'm the gold man. I look for gold. I trade gold only, and any forex, it works on gold and forex. So that's a good thing to look after. And let's check for other. Let's see Nvidia asset stocks. Okay, it doesn't work on. Here we go. Yes, here's the verdict. Okay, here is the verdict. We have it also for stocks, shares. So we have it on share. This video is live, so I'm not just like crypto, I'm not adding anything. I'm just like want you to see this is live. It's not, so crypto is not working. The XAUMO HACKS is not for crypto. so far. Maybe I need to do some other hacks, some other tweaks for it to work on crypto, but it doesn't work on crypto. But the XAUMO Megabar VSA works on crypto. Very good. So that was it. So going back again, and here's the silver. Here's the silver right away. The silver popped up. And let's go back again. So finally, again, let's to conclude, the XAUMO Megabar, the XAUMO Megabar VSA works on all assets. XAUMO Master Verdict, the XAUMO hacks, the 117 hacks does not work on kryptonized gold or any crypto asset, but the XAUMO Megabar VSA works on it. And we are XAUMO, we are Gold on the Nile, we are the gold guys in Egypt. So, and we broadcast this indicator for traders. If you want to have access to it, just try it. Just text me on TradingView, or just boost the script, which you will find on the YouTube, and you will have access to the code. And thank you very much. I hope that you are enjoying our indicators, and always remember, winners trade with XAUMO indicators.